Welcome to Cars Trends, where we bring you the latest, most detailed insights from the world of automobiles. Today, we're exploring a pair of masterpieces that have set new benchmarks for luxury and performance, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe and Roadster. These vehicles aren't just cars, they are statements of power, elegance, and innovation, crafted for those who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're a driving enthusiast, a lover of refined aesthetics, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the AMG GT Coupe and Roadster are designed to captivate you at every turn. Let's start with the exterior design, where Mercedes-AMG has created vehicles that are both aggressive and elegant. At first glance, the AMG-Specific radiator grille dominates the front, its vertical slats framed by striking, narrow LED headlamps with a distinctive daytime running light signature. The wide front bumper houses large air intakes that cool the powerful V8 engine and add to the car's imposing look. The long hood with pronounced contours and the sculpted roofline flow seamlessly into a muscular rear end, emphasizing the car's athletic stance. Aerodynamics play a pivotal role in the design. The active aerodynamic elements, including the AIRPANEL system and a multi-stage active rear spoiler, adapt in real time to optimize downforce and reduce drag. These features ensure stability at high speeds while contributing to the car's dynamic appearance. The AMG GT Coupe and Roadster sit on lightweight, forged aluminum wheels available in several designs, ranging from minimalist elegance to motorsport-inspired aggressiveness. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes sophistication and performance. The interior combines the finest materials with state-of-the-art technology to create an environment tailored for the discerning driver. Nappa leather upholstery wraps the seats, dashboard, and door panels, with optional contrasting stitching or diamond quilting available to elevate the luxury feel. Carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and piano black trim elements underscore the sporty nature of the AMG GT models. The driver-centric layout ensures that all controls are within easy reach. The AMG Performance steering wheel, wrapped in Nappa leather and Alcantara, features touch-sensitive controls and customizable drive mode buttons. The MBUX Mercedes-Benz User Experience system takes center stage, with a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display and an 11.9-inch central media touchscreen. The system is intuitive, responding to touch, voice commands, or gestures. A signature feature is the "Hey Mercedes" voice assistant, which can handle tasks like adjusting the climate control, setting navigation, or playing your favorite music. The AMG GT Coupe and Roadster aren't just about luxury, they're about thrilling performance. Under the hood lies a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo engine, a masterpiece of engineering. In the AMG GT 55, it delivers 469 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, while the AMG GT 63 takes it up a notch with 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Both models feature AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, ensuring optimal traction in various driving conditions. The engine is paired with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift transmission, offering lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. Acceleration is jaw-dropping. The AMG GT 55 Coupe sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, while the more powerful AMG GT 63 achieves the same in 3.2 seconds. The vehicles are equally impressive when it comes to handling. The AMG Active Ride Control suspension system, coupled with an advanced electronic differential lock, ensures precise cornering and stability, even during high-speed maneuvers. Add to that rear axle steering, which enhances agility at lower speeds and stability at higher speeds, and you have a car that's as confident on winding mountain roads as it is on the Autobahn. Now, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe and Roadster, hit that subscribe button and join the Cars Trends family. Your support fuels our journey to bring you the most comprehensive reviews and updates from the automotive world. Technology plays a critical role in the AMG GT models, enhancing both the driving experience and safety. The MBUX system includes real-time navigation with augmented reality overlays, giving you clear visual guidance on the road. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless integration of your smartphone, letting you access your favorite apps, contacts, and media. A Burmester 3D surround sound system, standard in the AMG GT 63, transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering an immersive audio experience. Safety is paramount, and these vehicles are equipped with the latest driver assistance systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Night View Assist is available as an option, using infrared cameras to detect pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions. For those who value versatility, the AMG GT Coupe and Roadster offer practical features that make them suitable for daily use. The Roadster's retractable soft top opens and closes in just 11 seconds, even at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, allowing you to enjoy open-air driving at a moment's notice. The Coupe, with its fixed roof, provides a more traditional grand touring experience, complete with a spacious trunk that can accommodate luggage for weekend getaways. Both models feature clever storage solutions within the cabin, ensuring convenience without compromising on style. Mercedes-AMG has positioned the 2025 GT Coupe and Roadster as the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and technology. These vehicles cater to drivers who demand thrilling dynamics without sacrificing everyday usability. Whether you prefer the enclosed refinement of the Coupe or the wind-in-your-hair excitement of the Roadster, the AMG GT models offer an experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe and Roadster redefine what it means to drive a luxury sports car. They are more than just vehicles. They are works of art, crafted for those who appreciate the finer things in life. From their stunning design to their breathtaking performance, these cars deliver on every front. If you found this review insightful, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to Cars Trends. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.